A Wabash Valley manufacturing plant joined forces with a local healthcare provider to offer a free primary care clinic. It's a partnership that might just set a standard for others to follow. Employees at North American Lighting in Paris, Illinois make automotive lighting systems.
North American Lighting has been trying to set themselves apart as a employer of choice. Everyone knows how competitive the job market is right now.
Okay, open real big for me, say ah.
And setting themselves apart means offering a free health clinic for employees and their families like Eric Thompson.
I just popped in here yesterday because they told us about this place at work, and I thought I'd try, and they made me an appointment right away, and here I am today.
North American Lighting partnered with Horizon Health to offer this primary care clinic across the street from the manufacturing plant. Employees and their families can go to the clinic to be treated for everything from cuts and burns to ear infections, even the flu. The facility also offers physical checkups in an effort to prevent future health problems.
We're looking at things such as high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, smoking cessation, things that are going to affect them in the long run. We want to take care of it now.
Besides being a cost savings for employees, the clinic is also expected to save the company money because it works directly with a healthcare provider. Also, it's hoped that future healthcare costs will be lower due to those preventative healthcare measures.
And if it goes well, we hope to offer it in our other locations as well, because we have locations here in Illinois at Flora and Salem, as well as Muscle Shoals, Alabama, and Farmington Hills, Michigan.
An expansion that could make the company even more desirable for employees in the future. And not only are the visits to the NAL clinic free to employees and their families, but some basic medications free as well. The company still provides employees with health insurance. Meanwhile, the clinic is housed in the same building as Horizon Health's Easy Care Clinic, which is open to everyone and accepts most insurance.